He's a-coming back to town on the train at high noon. And he's out to get the sheriff.
The sheriff? That's me.
Caramba! Está viniendo! Scram, kid! I am glad you are not the sheriff. Then the bad hombre would kill you.
You ready, Biz? Okay, Booze. Let's go, Buzz. Wait a minute. I'll handle this myself.
Es mi hombre magnifico. You are my little sheriff. You will get the bad hombre.
Boys, I want a nice, clean fight. Protect yourselves at all times. Keep your shots up. Remember, a low shot may cost you the fight. Go back to your corner and come on out shooting.
A winner. Here's your prize.
A baby doll. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Why, I'll get...
How about this one, partner? You ain't got much time, Buzzy boy.
Valiente, you catch the bad man.